All right, after a lot of hard work, we finally closed on our new house and we're ready to move in. Right, so let's get it popped open here and let's go inside. Well, I need to clean my high voltage battery fan. I can't take a chance whether it's not clean or whatever as I head into warmer climate. So when you're on the road, things can be more complicated. You've got all this stuff I got to deal with. I've got a lot more to take out of there. I know, what is going on? Hell, I don't know. I had to take out so much more than what I was thinking when I first started taking stuff out. Obviously, I have to take out all that other stuff too. This creature that's here. I have to take out this back seat. As we dig deeper and deeper, I'm finding that there's a car underneath all of this stuff. Oh, lady. You got your bed with you.